Brief accurate and important news of today, Saturday. The Ministry of Public Health says a 50-bed hospital equipped with modern and well-equipped equipment was opened in Kodberg area of Balkh at the cost of 65 million Afghanis. 530 national police officers graduated from the Education and Training Center of the Islamic and National Police of the Southeast Zone. Al-Hajj Mullah Abdul Ghani brother Akhund told the security forces in this ceremony that they should make themselves the servants of the people and serve the suffering people with love and sincerity and represent the system well. In Dandiguri district of Baghlan, a citizen named Asadullah Khalikyar has built an amusement park worth 8 million Afghanis at his own expense. The Iron Ore Administration says 257,635 metric tons were transported through the parts of the Turigondi, Akina and Hairatan in the month of Jawza in the year 1402. 27 Mujahideen graduated from 201 Khalid bin Walid Corps. 27 Mujahideen graduated from 2-month professional artillery training at the 201 Khalid bin Walid Corps in second branch of the Ministry of National Defense during a series of special ceremonies. Turkham Ports officials says, "We have convinced the Pakistani side after negotiations so that those who do not have a passport and are stuck in this country can return to the country with their identity card." According to the officials, the series of return will continue until Eid.